Hey guys, how to deposit US dollars using Swift on Kraken. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and hit trade at the bottom right. And then what you're gonna do, just hit buy, right? Select your favorite, or in our case, we're gonna use USD or USDT, right? Which is the crypto coin. And I'm gonna enter the amount. And instead of using my balance or my cash balance, I'm gonna just hit the USD balance and choose Apple Pay. If you added your Swift or your local bank account to your Apple Pay, you can use that method, or you can use this method to verify or buy USD from, or deposit USD in Kraken and convert from USDT to your local or foreign exchange, right? Euros, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, whatever, right? Hit continue. And then confirm that you want to buy using this method, right? Using your Apple Pay. So, I'm another comment to this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.